For judgment, item number 7.
Appeal is dismissed. And finding no grounds to interfere with the judgment of the learned trial court.
For judgment, item number 8.
Yes, the writ appeal is disposed of with a direction that the state respondents should adhere with the rules prescribed for the recruitment to the post of SAS-2, and that any divergence from the prescribed rules or the advertisement could invite further litigation. Okay, so it's disposed of with the above direction. Yes.
My Lord, I beg to mention one unlisted item, my Lord, for Tuesday. I filed one criminal petition yesterday, my Lord. It has been registered. If it may come up on Tuesday, my Lord. There is some urgency. Oblige.
Seek Lordship's indulgence in making a mention regarding item number 11 of part 2.
Yes.
My Lord, as agreed to by both the parties, if this matter may be taken up on 11 November, as requested by my senior.
Okay. Both the parties, is it?
Yes, my Lord.
Ms. Ruth, Delrod-Felly, learned counsel, appearing on her behalf of her senior, Mr. L.H. Lian Shimmer, learned senior counsel for the appellants, has prayed for adjournment of the matter with the consent of the other side. Accordingly, as prayed for, list on 11th
11th November.
11/20/25. Yes.
Oblige.
For motion, item number 1.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship, this is a contempt matter, Your Lordship. This Honorable Court White Order dated 25/11/2024 hereby directed the necessary respondent to pay compensation to the petitioners in terms of Land Acquisition Act 2013 with all consequential benefit after deduction of the amount already received by them, and also directed to refund cess, which was already deducted from the compensation. So,
But
it-
concerning the matter of cess,
cess, yes.
I think it's, there's an appeal regarding that.
Yeah, cess, however,
Same.
Your Lordship,
Oh.
with regard to cess is different. However,
Okay.
2013.
2013.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Heard Ms. Dinari El Azu, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has filed the instant petition under Rule 9 of the Contempt of Court, within brackets, Guwahati High Court, close bracket, rules, 1977, read with Section 12 of the Contempt of Courts Act, 1971, for the non-compliance of the judgment and order dated 25/11/2024, past 10 WPC number 127/2023, wherein this court had directed the respondents to pay compensation to the petitioners in terms of the right to fair compensation and transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Settlement Act, 2023, and had also directed that the cess amount deducted by the respondents should be returned to the petitioners. Full stop. Notice be issued to the respondents through registered post with AD within 3 working days, returnable by 3 weeks.
Item number 2.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. The petition pertains to regularization. Brief back of the case is that in 2011, I was engaged by the respondent to the post of computer operator on a master role basis. The engagement was issued by the model form of engagement card for master role employee, which was issued with concurrence of the PNAR, Finance and Planning Department.
So 14 years
Yes, my lord, more than.
from the date of your appointment, but not regularized
Not-
as per there must be some scheme?
2008.
Oh, 2000, yeah. Okay, we'll issue notice, let's see what's going on. Oh, wait, here, second page, it says that you have submitted representation also, dated
Yes,
09/07/2025.
My lord, in 2018, I have submitted an application
The first
for-
representation,
Yes.
that was not allowed.
That was not allowed, but my lord, you may please see page number 17, the response from the respondent.
No, that was not allowed for whatever grounds. Then
interrupt-
again, you've filed a second representation,
Yes, my lord.
which is not considered till date, isn't it?
Yes.
But has the situation changed? The first time you were not allowed was way back in 2017, you said,
18.
now 18.
Yes.
Then recently, so after 6 years,
Yes.
you filed another representation, which has not been considered.
Yes.
But has the situation changed? Previously, I think it was not considered due to non-availability of vacant post.
Yes, my lord.
So now is the vacant post available or what?
So far, my knowledge, yes. Mr. Zorem Moya, you may please see
Have you
page
mentioned that in
number
your
37.
representation page?
page number 37,
37.
and 38. Mr. Zorem Moya Patruo was a computer operator who held a permanent post, who was working with me.
Okay.
And he was later released from the department as he was engaged in home department, pursuing his further employment.
So he has been released,
Yes.
release order. So where's your representation? Latest representation?
In page number 20.
20.
Yes.
Have you mentioned that the post is
no, my
vacant and
lord.
all that?
No.
Then you have filed this, then you should have mentioned that also. Then they consider you, because you have come to this court saying now there's a post vacant.
Yes.
But in your representation, you didn't mention that. But it can be considered. So can we dispose of the instant writ petition with the direction that your representation is on 10/7/2025 should be considered? Thereafter, depending on the reply to your representation, you can file the writ petition if
My
you
lord,
still feel
I-
aggrieved.
Let the petition stay in this court. Maybe
Let's see your distinct prayer portion. in your prayer.
Page number 10. Issued a writ of mandamus or any other appropriate writ directing the respondent authorities to regularize the service of the petitioner in the post of computer operator, Group B post, in accordance with the Government of Mizoram regularization form.
So now there's a representation still pending, isn't it? So we can dispose of this petition with a distinct direction that your representation should be disposed of. This is in the month of July, August, September, October, 3 months. Even after 3 months, either they reject your representation or they allow. That's a different matter. Then if you are still aggrieved, if it's rejected, then maybe whatever grounds.
Yes, madam.
No? Yes, who are the state respondents? This is,
I think a copy of this writ petition can also be served along with the representation. Here they have mentioned the availability of vacant posts.
availability. So with that, I'll dispose out of later. Okay, disposed. Should consider your representation within the outer limit of 3 weeks? Because this time will be running out, isn't it? And then a copy of the writ petition will also be furnished, so that there you mentioned that there's a vacant post, isn't it? Okay, I'll pass a full order later, okay? Disposed of with the above direction, then the directions I'll mention, yes.
For orders, item number 3.
Yes, Your Lordship. I am appearing from the petitioner's behalf, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, it is prayed before you that this matter may be taken in the first week of December, as we are waiting for
So you are
instructions from the
appearing on
client.
behalf of whom?
Petitioner.
There's no petitioner here, this is an appeal.
Yes, madam. Yes,
He is
Lordship.
appearing on
So
behalf
this
of the
is
appellant.
RFA. You're for the appellants, is it?
No, Your Lordship, we are from the petitioner's behalf. The last council has...
my-
But
yes,
there is
my
no
lord, he is appearing
petitioner
on
in
behalf
this
of the
case.
appellant.
You're the petitioner or the appellant?
We are... I am from Mr. Silo's side, Your Lordship.
The appellant, my lord.
Appellant, yes, he is the appellant. Yes, Your Lordship. He is the
Appellant,
appellant. Yes.
You should know the difference
Your-
between petitioner and appellant. When you have filed an
Yes.
appeal, then you have to be the
Sorry.
appellant. So I'm thinking maybe the wrong case has been put up.
No, sorry, Your Lordship, sorry.
So
my-
here, so you could not come to any amicable settlement, is it?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Your Lordship, the
Heard Mr. Your good name?
Shishir Pathak.
Shashira Pathak, learned counsel for the appellant. Who's for the respondent? Along with Ms. Ruth so-and-so, learned counsel for the private respondents, is it?
On behalf of respondent number 1, Mr. Victor R. L. Ralte.
Along with Ms. so-and-so, learned counsel for, appearing on behalf of Mr. Victor L. Ralte, learned counsel for respondent number 1. Full stop. The learned counsels submit that the parties could not come to any amicable settlement through mediation. Full stop. In view of the above, as prayed for, list the matter on her. When you wanted?
Your Lordship, in the first week of December.
As prayed for, list the matter during the first week of December 2025.
My lord,
Oblige, Your Lordship.
if my name and Lalremwati Rentlay name may be deleted, my lord. I'm for the appellant.
The learned counsel, Ms. Lalropari, is it?
Yes, my lord.
Submits that since submits that they will no longer be representing the appellants and prayed that her name,
Along with Miss Lalremwati Rentlay.
along with the name of Lalremwati Rentlay, may be deleted from the cause list. Registry to do the needful. Yes.
DB obliged.
Item
Obliged,
number
Your
4.
Your Lordship, we have filed the additional affidavit yesterday.
What was the additional affidavit for?
We have submitted
Regarding the
the
video,
pen drive,
my
my lord.
Oh, okay. A copy given?
Yes, my lord. And however, my lord, if we may be given time to submit our
Yes,
rejoinder.
yes, okay, okay. Ms. Lal Ropari, learned counsel for the
Petitioners.
petitioner is present along with Mr. Lalsan Liana Kiangte, learned counsel for the respondent,
Yes, all the respondents.
for the respondents. Okay. The learned counsel for the respondents submits that he has filed the additional affidavit bringing on record the pen drive, being on record the video recording / pen drive. Okay, connected with the instant case. So, the learned counsel for the petitioners have prayed for time to peruse the said video recording / pen drive. In view of the above, list the matter after 3 weeks?
Yes,
2
my lord.
weeks?
2 weeks. my lord.
After 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Item number 6.
Same, isn't it?
My lord, this is for implement of the additional Deputy Commissioner Lunglei, Kam Kala, under the National Highway Act 1956, as respondent number 8. The original defendants are respondent number 1 to 7. However, during the course of hearing, the learned government advocate submitted that the DC alone is not enough, and it is the additional DC who has made the 3G award. Therefore, as per the direction of this Honorable Court on 23/9/25, I have filed my impleadment application. Ma'am.
Okay, we'll allow. I heard Mr. Lal Fagzola, C. Lal Fagzola, learned counsel for the applicant, who has filed the instant application under Order 1, Rule 10, within brackets 2, of the Civil Procedure Code for impleadment of the additional Deputy Commissioner, Lunglei, competent authority for land acquisition under the National Highways Act, 1956, Lunglei District, as respondent number 8, NWPC number 87/2024. Full stop. Notice be issued, then Mr.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. Samuel Vancheta, standing counsel for
Yes,
NHID,
Mr. Your good name.
James Vanelhaka.
James Van Langaka, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Samuel L. Changte, learned standing counsel for the NHIDCL, and Ms. Linda L. Fumble, learned additional AG for the state respondents, along with Ms. Baby so-and-so, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Ms. Zairem Sangpui, learned CGC, accepts notice on behalf of the respondents. So, the learned counsels for the respondents submit that they have no objection to the instant application, full stop. Then, in view of the above, this court find it fit to allow the impleadment application by allowing the applicants to implead the additional Deputy Commissioner, Lunglei, competent authority for land acquisition under the National Highways Act, 1956, as respondent number 8 in the connected WPC number 87/2024. Stop. Accordingly, IA number
176.
176/2025 stands allowed and disposed. Stop. On the disposal of the said IA, the learned counsel for the applicant/petitioner is to take steps for making corrections in the cost title in WPC number 87/2024 and thereafter issue notice to the newly included respondent number 8 through registered post with AD within 3 working days, returnable by 3 weeks.
My Lord, if I may,
Ah.
I have to correct in the synopsis the cost title, the index, and the prayer.
Okay, in the index, I've mentioned index, okay? Cost title, in the cost title, comma index,
Synopsis
the comma synopsis,
and the prayer portion.
and in the prayer portion. Okay. Then we'll make it no need of issuing notice. Thereafter, the WPC number 87 of 2024 is to be listed after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. I have to take steps for register post.
After 2 weeks for further orders. We'll make it as that, okay? Because again, notice, no need of taking notice yet. So maybe we'll make it after 1 week. Will it be ready after 1 week? Okay. No need of issuing notice yet. Let the corrections be made, then after we'll pass the order.
Yes, my Lord. Right.